Hey, get away. Alex here in Asuncion. Today is a very eventful day. Well, I planned a lot of things. Let's see if I'm gonna manage to do everything that I planned. You already understand from the name of this video what it's all about, but I'm gonna step by step guide you through the day. So let's spend the day, which is day for me and around 10 minutes for you. Let's spend the day together here in Asuncion, Paraguay. Boom. So it's 11 in the morning. I already accomplished a couple of things. First of all, I woke up. This is already a lot. Then I went to the gym. Then I went to the laundry. There's a laundry service like in 2 minutes walk from my Airbnb. It costs 20,000 Guarani and I can pick it up already in the afternoon. It was a very nice service. And now I'm gonna get to the big. While I was recording this, got myself in the argument with the one local person I was passing by on the road, obviously on the zebra. She was trying to prove me that I'm wrong. Well, she was a driver, I was a pedestrian on the zebra, but anyway. Talking about Biggie. The Biggie next to my Airbnb is not that biggie, and did you know that they have this buzzer to call the cashier? So I went to Biggie supermarket. I didn't get a lot of stuff, but receive a compliment about my eyes. It's so interesting to receive a compliment. Is it that beautiful? Thank you very much. But it's nice to receive a compliment from the ladies. But the thing is, like, there was a lady and she passed that message on the way out of the Biggie of the supermarket through the cashier. So the cashier told me. So funny. So I'm gonna show you right now little groceries. That's not much. I just basically needed a couple of things. I'm gonna show you right now what I purchase and how much does it cost. So I decided I'm gonna include them so you understand the price of right now. It's the end of 2024, the prices and the variety of the groceries here in Asuncion. Boom, here you go. That's what I got, plus the water. 10 liters of water, green tea, lettuce, and I believe this nectarine or the peaches, whatever you call it. I like these fruits and it's all cost like 80. Something like that. Here is a breakdown. Here you go. This is the tea, lechuga, and durazno. They call this durazno. By the way, I'm not sure how to call that in English. So yeah, and the water, and it cost 80. It's 3 p.m. here in Asuncion, 35 Celsius. It's very hot. The only good thing that there's the sun is hidden behind clouds. I'm gonna go and pick up my clothes from the laundry, hopefully. It's ready. There you go, just a local lavanderia. And with my stuff, it cost 20,000 Guarani. Now, a couple of words on the behavior of drivers. They don't respect the pedestrians here at all. I know that this is an issue that you can find all over, all over the world. But here, there is something in this regard. The beautiful and, welcoming people of Paraguay, they need to improve it all, because I don't know what happened with them when they are getting into the car and they're behaving like, you not exist as a pedestrian. Yeah. And then there was time for me to go to the interview with Gerald. Hope you got a chance to watch the other ones here on the channel. All right, arrived for the interview. Let's do it. I'm not showing a lot of backstage for you to be intrigued by the actual interview, which you can see on Nomad Elite channel and also my channel. All right, have done with our interviews. There was a nice and very interesting experience. Oh wow, look at this. This is a mango and they just look at this. Wow, mango tree. It's such a nice and relaxing vibe in this area of the city. I already forgot how it looks like because I'm living in downtown, which is more hustling and bustling environment. But that's different sides of Asuncion. Look at this place. Yeah, Villa Mora has a completely different vibe of residential areas, and yeah, I like this. I like this Asuncion. Look how much of a development going on here. Time to invest. Why not? So since I'm already in Villa Mora, I'm gonna go and explore La Quadrita. It's like, should be nice area, which I saw somewhere on Instagram, and I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, I definitely need to take some time to explore this part of the city better, because the last time when I was here, I was in Las Lomas, which is northern, a little bit in the northern part of Asuncion. Relatively not far away from here. Today or now I'm staying in the downtown, in the centro. But you know, Villa Mora, it's actually a very nice place. Let me show you what I see. There you go. This is La Quadrita. Yeah, this place looks nice, looks fancy. I think Asuncion needs more places like this. And they already exist, so La Quadrita, everybody. Oh wow, look at this motorcyclist club or something. And that's La Quadrita from the other side. There's a bike lane, which is very important for me. There you go. I hope you got a chance to check some cycling videos of mine, cycling here in Asuncion, where I'm proving that cycling culture, even though it has a lot of potential, but it exists here in Asuncion, so check it out, check it out. Yeah, I like what I see. That building looks very good. I think this episode I should call something like walking down the fancy Asuncion. And I'm glad it exists. Oh wow, look at this building. It's green, completely green. What a nice idea. I don't know what is it, but very nice, looks very nice. So at 6 p.m. La Quadrita, it's not busy at all. I know that it's gonna be busy later because it's Latinos, they are going out late. Not like Argentinos, Paraguayos are going out a little bit earlier, but still. But what I'm gonna do right now, since I'm in this area, I wanna go and eat some acai. This place looks good. That place for you if you want to know something about local fashion. To my, I don't want to say surprise, but I'm very glad that they do have some nice developing. You know, there are buildings that, in this climate especially, they look very nice. Most of them, they do have these new residential areas. They do have a pool, gym, and all the amenities. Don't forget to check out the room tour and more of few different Airbnbs that I've occupied here in beautiful Asuncion. Yeah, I think I need to do more of this walking tours. I love the huge trees. In front of Burger Factory, another building that potentially gonna look good. There you go. As you see, a lot of development going on now in Asuncion. There you go. So the construction is happening. So apparently the place where acai was supposed to be, it's not there. Well, but since I'm next to Mariscal, maybe I'm gonna find something there. And let me introduce you Mariscal. It's not only one mall. It's like a group of them. Look at the vibe here. The vibe here motivates you to spend some time and money. Here you go. And wow, they have a parking, which is amazing. And they have a Starbucks right there. That's the area. And yeah, that's the other side. Mariscal, everything is lit and ready for the Christmas. Here is Villa Mora shopping right away in front of the Mariscal shopping. So it's a really well-known shopping area. Yeah, I found it. Here you go. I'm gonna be trying my acai here in the acai place. There you go, acai. Everybody happy with my acai for 25 guarani, which is like a little bit more than $3. Getting myself some food. So I went to Shangri-La, one of my favorite places, because I can get something vegetarian and it costs 40 guarani. And now I need to go back to my Airbnb, take a shower, change, because I have plans for the evening. Yeah, the evening vibe of this place is great. I think I need to return here once or maybe 2 times. Why not? And then as a conclusion of this evening, we've got to Amazonas Club, where there was supposed to be the meeting with expats and nomads from all over the world. But there was not that much of a clubbing, so it should not scare you. I don't know what you up to, but it was a lot of socializing, a lot of networking, well, because a lot of expats and nomads are joining that meeting to find like-minded people and spend some good time. Because we all know that now getting residency in Paraguay becoming very popular. This is a very new Asuncion for me. Clubbing. Also that night there was something special. There was a birthday of the person who organized those meetings, Jake. So happy birthday, Jake, from all the community. Meanwhile, there was a time for me to get back home and enjoy the view from my Airbnb, enjoy a little bit of a lightning strikes and thunder above beautiful Asuncion. I hope you enjoy watching this video. It would be nice if you decided to let me know what you think about this format. As a beginner YouTuber, I appreciate each and every reaction, like or comment of yours. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.